Hey y'all, welcome back to Sav's Glam Beauty. Today is a very exciting one for me because I have been working hard to get this to you. Like, I have been making soaps bars for a little bit now, and at first I wasn't for sure I really want to do soaps on this channel, but I thought about it. I'm like, this is a beauty channel. Literally, it's a beauty channel, so there's so much that I really want to explore, and I can't just be having different channels for everything that I want to do. So most likely this channel is like a DIY channel that we do different stuff over here. So I've decided to incorporate my soap making on this channel as well. This channel is a new channel. There's so much that I really want to explore. Okay, so I am going to be doing so much different things here, cosmetics related. Okay, I'm not going to do anything that don't relate to this. So for the most part, I've been making soaps. I even have samples of some of my soaps that I've been making. Let me show them to y'all before we get into the video. So I made a couple of bars. I've like give them out to friends and family, like sharing with them. I just wanted to know their feedback and all of that. So I got a lot of good feedback. People like it, and people still like, some people even asking me when am I making them for sale, because they really do love it. So with that being said, I'm gonna start off with these. I don't know if you can see it, but this is a turmeric facial bar that I made. It smells so good. It smells, I wish you could smell it on the camera here, but it's impossible. Okay, so these are our facial bars. I'm gonna make this too on camera as well. So yeah, I can just stop smelling these. Okay, so up next is all right, so let me start with the lavender. This is the lavender bar. I hope you can see it. It is so lovely. I just put my little sticker on there. You guys, it smells divine. Okay, and then I also did the rose looking one as well. The seeds you're seeing there are the cranberry seeds. Like, it's very exfoliating, so this is an exfoliating bar as well. And I also have the what is it called? Jasmine bar. This is a jasmine bar. Smells so lovely. These I have the oatmeal bar. I can get enough of these. Okay, so for today's video, I will be making an oatmeal soap bar. Okay, so this is what I'm making today. Okay, so these are the ones that I've been making. I've made other ones, but I just don't have the samples yet. So yeah, we got places to go. Okay, Sav's Glam got a long journey. Okay, my surface is already sanitized and all of that good stuff. Okay, so this is my soap bar. I got this oatmeal bar from Berry. This is a melt and pour bar. I have my grounded oatmeal. I have some honey, some oatmeal that I want to like do some decoration with. Also have my fragrance oil, some rubbing alcohol, my pretty mold, and my heat safe container, because I'm going to be putting this in the microwave today. Okay, I'm not doing a double boiler method today. I'm gonna be using this, okay? So for a start, we have to chop this up in smaller chunks just to get it, just so it can melt easily in the microwave. And you guys, soap making is like, especially melt and pour, you have to work very, very fast. There's no slowing down in this soap business, okay? So I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for like, I don't know how many minutes it's gonna take, but I'm gonna put it in the microwave every 30 seconds. I'm gonna check it and see how the process going, okay? I'm doing the first 30 seconds, okay? Go like so. And just wait, okay? After I kept it in there for 30 seconds, you can see it didn't do much. It didn't do much at all, so I'm putting it back for another 30 seconds. And I'm gonna keep doing it until everything melts, okay? So now I have I'm gonna be using my mold. I'm putting some oatmeal. I'm gonna show it to you later on because it's not showing. This is like 1 minute. I'm just gonna give it a stir just so, yeah, I still have a lot of chunks in here. Like, look, still have a lot of chunks. So I'm still gonna put it back, okay? At this point, I have to work really fast before my soap burn, okay? The reason why I'm doing every 30 seconds is because you don't want your soap to get burned. Like soaps get burned easily and super fast. It's not cool at all. I don't like that. So with that, I have to work fast. Okay, y'all? All right. So I actually paused. I forgot totally. So now my molds are ready. I have to switch the camera back to give you a clear view. So now this is my mold, like I was saying. So I have to put this aside first and grab my soap. Let's see how it's looking. Look right here, there's still chunks in here. And I'm gonna put it back for at least 30 more seconds and see what happens, okay? All right. Oh, okay, I didn't let it go for the exact 30 seconds because I didn't want it to burn because most of them were already melted. So now I'm gonna be taking my ground oatmeal. So up next, I'm gonna be taking my pure honey fragrance oil. And I'm also gonna be putting my honey in it like I told you I was gonna do. Let me stir, stir. You have to mix the fragrance in here very well before doing anything. Like, now I'm adding my honey in here. So I'm still mixing, you guys. I think the temperature is good enough now to pour. If I wait any longer, it's gonna get hard, okay? So, and we don't want that. Okay. So give it one more big stir. All right, I think it's perfect to pour now. Okay. All right, here we go. It's gonna look so beautiful and gorgeous. Okay. It's gonna give me a sample bar. I'm super proud and happy about that. Oh my God, it did 5 in total. It's not even a sample bar no more. God. Okay. All right. So when I'm done with this, I'm gonna pop this in the freezer for at least 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours before demolding them, okay? All right, now with all these bubbles on it, the solution is rubbing alcohol, okay? Once you put rubbing alcohol on here, you are good to go, okay? See, 1 spritz. It's like everything just disappeared. All right, now let's put this in the fridge for, let's say 2 hours, and I'll be back, okay? So yes, you guys, after 2-3 hours, we are back to unmold this beautiful oatmeal soup, okay? So to unmold, you have to stretch this out a little bit, like so, just to give you that free access to your soup, cause, oh my God, I'm scared. Like, I don't want to take it out. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but let's see, okay? Let's see. All right, we're gonna start from right here. Can you guys see this? Okay. Oh my God, I just wanna cry. Oh my God, I just wanna cry. Please. Oh my goodness, you guys, look here. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You guys, look at the detailings. Jeez. OMG. Oh my God. Most beautiful soap I have ever done. Let's see the next design. All of them has different designs. So yeah. Uh-oh. Oh my God. You guys, look here. What did I do to deserve this beautiful soap? This gorgeous work. OMG. Oh my God, this is how it's looking from the back and the top. Oh man. Jeez. Okay, what's next? Let's see. Okay, I guess it's the same one. Yes, it is. But you guys, look at the back. And look at the front. Gorgeous. Gorgeous oatmeal soup. Oh man, let's see. Like I get excited for every one that I move. Ooh, oh my God, look here. Jeez, what did I do to deserve this beautiful bar? Oh man. Hands down, these bars look stunning. Okay, stunning. Ooh. Oh. Jeez. Oh my God. It smells so lovely. Jeez. Isn't this so lovely? I'm so proud. I'm so proud, you guys. Anyways, you guys, there'll be more soaps video on this channel. I can't even tell you all the plans that I have. Like, you will see colors. It's not just oatmeal. You will see colors. There's so many swerves I want to do. Like, you guys will see. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys are the truth. Like, every day I get so many subscribers now. I really appreciate. Like, words cannot say how good that make me feel. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye bye.